Hey, welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. I wanted to give this one special attention because it's got some few trophies on it and some real uniqueness. It is a 1964 Chevy Nova, kind of like the other Nova, but this one is totally different. Just like all of them are always totally different. Ooh. This one's got some tint to the window. And look at that. Doom, 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 doom. That's a lot. All on Woodburn Drag Street. Nice. Greaser Garage. Now, how can you get better than that? Seriously. How can you?
Oh, the one up on top. Yeah. That's a button right here. Yeah. That's a trick.
What the deuce? Nice. Excuse me. Hey, and look, that's the look moon again. Keeps looking everywhere. Keeps appearing everywhere. Until the next episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for more of everything.